Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your own Kahoot on the Kahoot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the create button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you should add the cover image to your Kahoot. Here you can select from these preset images. You can also search among them by typing in a keyword into the search bar. However, you also have 3 other options, such as choosing a picture from your gallery. You can also draw something by tapping on the draw button. Down below there are these tools. You can select the color of these. The spectrum and sliders as well, and after that you should draw something. Here is the eraser that you can use to get rid of your drawing, and you can start it again with using other tools such as this highlighter. This is a pen seal. If you are done with your picture, then you should tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can click on save, but you can also add the alternative text and credits to it. Or you can also take a picture with your phone and set it as your cover image. You can also, or you should enter a title to your Kahoot. Select the theme, which is now set to standard. Here are the free ones, and these are available for Kahoot Pro and Premium users only. You can also select the visibility, such as only me, or set it to public. Here you can also add description, add intro video, select visibility and language as well. Now you can add your questions by tapping on the add questions button down below. Here you can select from these functions such as quiz, true or false, puzzle, type answer, quiz plus audio, slider, poll, drop pin and slide. So tap on the relevant one. And then, as you can see, you should add these 4 answers to your question that you need to type in this box. After that, click on this plus icon and you can select from these other options as well, that you can change the question type here by tapping on this button at the top of the screen. If you click on this 3 dots icon, you can preview it, duplicate your question, delete it and change points. If you are done with it, tap on the button save in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on save as draft. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.